So this is the Dior box. Let's open. This is the gift card. I think so. Where we put our dedication. Yes, this is the gift card. Let's see. Tira na siya. Oh, so this is it. This is the holiday gift that I bought. I bought 2 of it. One is for a gift and one is mine. So it contains a holiday bag, and then lip maximizer, and then lip glow, and a day cream. Small lang pala siya, maliit lang siya. And then this one, oh, alam nyo, bumibili lang talaga ako para sa mga freebies. So ito yung freebies na nakuha ko. Bag. I thought medyo malaki siya. So, gusto ko siyang gamitin as pouch. So, yan siya. And then, let us see what's inside. I forgot na meron palang ganito. So, just a small ito lang. Ano ba to? Serum and day cream. So it's like this. Serum and day cream. And then, ito, foundation stick. Let me check this. Kasi ubos na yung Charlotte Tilbury ko. And then these are the freebies. Let's see. I chose the Blooming Bouquet. Meron siyang mini. And this one, uy, ang bango niya. This one is endorsed by Nadine Lustre. Kaya gusto ko siya. Uy, ang bango. So that would be all, guys. This is my first Dior purchase. Sana makabili rin ako ng bag nila. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy holidays.